friends, and this is a new video on our channel where we will talk about the Insta app. Right now we will show you how to correct your current email on Insta account. So let's go to the botting. And the first step I need to do is to open my Insta app. Right now I am on my profile page, so let's tap on this three lines icon at the top and go to the settings. Later I need to choose account and go to the personal information. As you can check, we have the special email bar. Let's tap on it 2 times, and I will also click on the cross beside it to disable my current email. And later I need to paste my needful one on the period bar. Let's tap done and wait some time. Later on my second phone I have the opened, as you can check, the opened email, and let's check the last email. I got the needful code for me, and after I need to set it on the period bar on the first phone. So this is 431627. Let's tap next. And my email is confirmed. From now on, this email is absolutely saved and it's current right now for me. Let's check the results. So let's go to the settings again, account, personal information, and I have my newly saved email here on the email bar. So in this way I can control my data, control my information, and manage the email when I want. So guys, don't forget about likes if this tutorial was useful. Don't forget to check our other tutorials on the channel, and have a nice day. Good luck!